are Zhejiang Genuine Machine Corporation Limited. We are OEM factory where many products is fuel dispensers, LPG dispensers, and various accessories.
There are many models in our factory, such as Grand Series,
Grand Series,
Century Series,
Century Series,
S-
Panda
Panda
Series,
Series,
and
Maker Series,
Maker Series,
Hope Series,
Hope Series.
Honor Series, and so on. Today we will introduce you the series Yang Tian behind us.
Firstly, we can see the top on the machine. What's this, Cindy?
This is a LED display.
LED display. Can we support any different LED display?
Yes, we have many different size and color you can choose. And you can put word on it, such as your company name or welcome or other words.
Oh yes, and we can support such as any colors you need.
Yes.
Such as red, white, and
Yellow.
Yellow, yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Blue.
Blue.
Yes, it's up to your requirement.
Let me see this one. This is oil indicator, right?
Yes, this is oil indicator. We can indicate the oil whether it has impurity on it when staff working to operate the filling station.
Yes, we can support any kind of you need. The black hose is different, such as 3 meter, 4 meter, and 4.5
4.5
meter.
meters. Yes, we have two different type of hose. One is hang high. The length of the hose is 4.5 meters, and we also have another type, which hang the hose on the low location, and the length of the hose is 3 meters.
Okay, we can also provide different colors of hose.
Yes, such as red, yellow, blue, green, blue.
And black.
Black, yes, black is standard color.
Yes. If you want different colors of hose, you can tell us and we can provide to you.
Yes, welcome to contact us. And you can see this is a holder. This is made of plastic. And we also have metal one.
Yes.
Yes. And you can find the color of the nozzle is blue, right?
Yes.
And this one is also blue.
Could I make them red?
Yes, of course, you can choose the nozzle red, yellow, green, gray.
And red.
Yes.
Orange and yellow.
Yes, it's all for your optional. Talia, I found there is a special button. What is this?
Yes, this is the emergency stop button. When you filling up in machine in your car, you if there any emergency things
Happen.
and you can enter, then the filling will stop. And if you want
You can rotate it and the display will start work again, yes. But today is power out, so we can't see the display.
Yes, the display we can provide many different types, such as white screen with black word, yellow screen with
Black word.
and
Yeah. Blue screen with white word.
Yes.
Yes, and this one is 3-in-1. We also have 2-in-1 separate type,
Yes.
right?
Yes, Cindy, we can see here is three data on it, sale,
Liter.
and price.
Yes.
Can we set different price or liter on this?
Of course. And the language you can also change, such as Japanese, France, and so on.
Oh, yes. It depends on what you want to need.
Yes. And Talia, I found the color of this machine is gray and white, but this is very nice, I know, but if customer don't like this color, can we change the color?
Oh, sure. We can choose black or blue or red of the whole machine.
So all color is available, right?
Yes.
Okay. I found there's a sticker on the door, but if customer don't like this design, and they also don't know which type they want, can we provide design for them?
Yes, they can choose put their logo on it, such as their company and their design.
Company name, logo, brand.
Brand.
Okay, okay.
We can design for them.
Okay, that's great. So let's open the door. This is controller.
Yes.
And I found the direction is vertical. Is there any other type of controller in our company?
We can choose vertical and
horizontal
one on the machine.
And we also have another one in a box, right?
Yes, the box is in order to provide the controller.
Yes.
Provide the controller.
So staff can't touch the electronic component in it, right?
Yes.
It will be more safety.
Yes.
So, okay. And I found there is many electronic component on it.
Let me introduce this. This is
the main board.
And this is power board. This is
solid state relay.
Yes.
And this one is transformer. This one is a filter.
This one is a battery.
Battery, yes. If customer wants to buy a controller, but they will ask us to deliver by air, we will put the battery down because battery can't can't be shipped by air.
By air,
Right.
yes.
Yes, okay. And
If customer wants to buy mainboard or power boards separately, we can also provide. And if you like the mainboard or power board, we can provide a free sample such if you buy a whole machine.
okay, let's move to the down door.
Sandy,
The
you
okay.
can see this one is the
printer.
printer,
Yes. We can press this button to open the door, and this is a white paper on it, and we can today the power is cut, so we can't operate it. Maybe next time.
Yes,
okay. So let's open the down door, the hydraulic part. Okay, I found there is one motor, one pump, and two flow meter.
Yes, Sandy, this one is how about the voltage about the machine?
The voltage is 220 volts. And we also have another motor which is 380 volts. Yes. What's the brand of the pump?
The brand of the pump is token type.
Yes, token type. What's the material of it?
You can see the color of the pump is
Black. Yeah.
And it's very
big.
big.
And maybe it is very heavy, right?
Yes, so it is made of the cast iron.
Okay, cast iron. And this is only one pump, but why there's two flow meters? How many cans of fuel uses in this machine?
It can only use one can of oil in the machine because there only one pump. If there has two flow meter because there has two nozzle. If you want two kinds of different oil in the machine, you can choose two pump on this.
Yes, two motor, right?
Yes.
Okay, and is this two nozzle can work at the same time?
Sure, because there has two flow meter and they can work at the same time. So the nozzle is can work normally in the same time.
Okay, as I know, the people in Africa will prefer the Tokim pump and flow meter, right?
Yes.
Is there any other brand of flow meter and pump in our company?
We
Okay.
have three types of brand of the machines. First is Bennett type.
Bennett type.
And the second is Tatsuno type.
Tatsuno type.
And the third is token type.
Yes, and the last one is B and T type. Bennett flow meter and Tokim pump.
Cindy,
yeah.
I know the material of the Bennett type.
Okay, Bennett type is made of aluminum, and Tatsuno is same to Bennett. The material is aluminum. Yes, and Tokim type is made of cast iron. Cast iron, yeah.
What's the difference from the two kinds of materials?
The weight The weight of the aluminum is
Light.
light, right? And
The
the color is different. You can see different material is different color.
Yes, I can see the bayonet type
Is green.
gray.
Yeah.
And
And
the token type is
is black. Yes. And you can see in this picture the bayonet type is two pump, right?
Yes.
Two pump with 2 flow meter or 4 flow meter.
Yes. If you have two different oil, you can choose the two pump.
Yes, 2 pump with 2 nozzle, right?
Yes, and you can choose 4 nozzle, 2 in front the machine and 2 behind the machine.
Yes, and the Tatsuno is also 2 pump, 2 flow meter, 2 nozzle.
Yes. It all depends on what your needs. So the difference from the Tatsuno and the Token, the two are gear pump, right?
Yes, Tatsuno and Tokium type is gear pump, and the bayonet pump is wind pump.
One pump.
Wind pump, yes, the flow rate is different. The flow rate of bayonet type is about 45 liters to 50 liters per minute.
Yes.
And the Tatsuno and the Tokium type, the flow rate is around 40 liter per minute, right?
Yes. So how can I choose the 3 type of the section?
How can I? What do you mean? I'm not very clear about.
If I don't know which one I can use in the machine, so how can I choose the 3?
First, we need to know where is the customer, because in South Africa, customer will prefer bayonet type.
Bayonet type.
Yes, and Zimbabwe.
Zimbabwe.
Yes, and Tatsuno is popular used in Philippines, Mid East Asia.
Yes.
Yes, Tokium type is most popular in Africa.
Oh, yes.
Yes, so we will need to know where are you from, what's the quantity of product and nozzle, how many pieces do you need, so that we can send exact quotation to customers.
Okay. If the customer wants a cheaper one, which can we choose?
A cheaper one, the bayonet type will be cheaper than the other 2 types.
Okay, yes. Because all of our machine has a long work life, so you can choose all types of the configuration you need, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, and you can see there is submersible type without pump. This is flow meter, and this is explode box. And what's this?
This one is a filter.
Filter. Where is the pump and the motor? I can't find it in the picture.
Let me see. Let's see the this picture. You can see the pump and the motor is a part of the submersible type. Here is a tank and the motor connect with the pump with.
And we put the motor into the tank, right?
Yes.
So the submersible pump will push the oil into the dispenser.
Yes. If your gas station is a big. So then you can choose the submersible type, and you can cost more money. If your gas station is small, you can choose the suction type, right?
Yes. Just send your request to us. We will design for you one nozzle, two nozzle, three nozzle, four nozzle, six nozzle, and eight nozzle is also available for us to produce. So, as we said, we can. The machine is same. The shell of the machine is same, but we can change the flow meter and the pump, the motor, right?
Yes, we can
Change it
the
to
Bennett type.
yes,
and the Tatsuno type.
yes, and if customer want to buy a machine can support 3 cans of fuel with 6 hoses. Can we do it?
Sure, we can do if you want 3 cans of different oil. Then you can choose 3 pumps in the hydraulic area, and if you want 6 hose and work at the same time, you can choose 6 flow meter in here.
Yes, but I think it is not big enough to put so many pump and flow meter and motor. What can we do?
We can make a new design.
Will be
a bigger machine and
bigger, yes.
and suitable your needs.
Then the space will be large enough, right, to put the so many flow meter, pump and motor, right?
Yes, but the token type don't suggest the 3 pump and 6 flow meter because it's too heavy.
Yes, too heavy.
Okay.
And the Tokim flow meter and pump is a little bigger than Bennett and Tatsuno.
Yes.
Yes. So I found the left nozzle and the right nozzle is both blue color, right? Yes. But I want to choose this one to red nozzle. Can we choose?
Sure, we can choose not only blue nozzle and red nozzle. We can also choose green nozzle and orange nozzle and black nozzle and different colors.
Okay, it will be very nice. So this is also
okay.
this nozzle is 11A, right?
Yes.
Is there any other brand nozzle?
We can also use support ZVA nozzle, OBW nozzle, and other brands.
Yes. And this is 3/4 inches, right?
Yes.
And as I know, we also have 1 inches, 1.5 inches, and
yes.
even 2 inches. And this is automatic nozzle. We also have manual nozzle, right?
Yes. We can see the nozzle can
rotate
360
360 degrees.
Yes.
Why?
Because the swivel is
Non-fixed.
Yes.
So it will be very convenient for staff to operate, right?
Yes.
Yes, it will be very nice. It's great.
Okay, Cindy, let's see the keypad.
On the side, like
Cindy,
yeah.
what's the material of the keypad?
The material is metal.
Metal.
Metal, yes.
Yes. If there any other different material,
We also have plastic one.
plastic
Yes,
one,
plastic one.
and
And this one, this keyboard is with color. We also have without color type, right?
yes,
Yes. So from the direction, how many types in our company? This is horizontal, and we also have vertical type, right?
Yes.
Uh,
You can see there is a shift menu, some
Yes.
enter,
Yes.
clear, and start, stop. If you finish, if you want to finish 100 money, you can set 100 and start.
Start, yes. And when the 100 liters finished, we the text will be printed.
Yes, because the
Power off.
power off.
We can't operate it today.
Okay, let's show you.
Okay.
Okay.
And this is a totalizer.
Yes.
You can find that there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 digits. We also have another one, 12 digits.
Yes, just depends on your
request.
yes.
Yes. So let's move to the part 2. Amanda and Lynn will introduce you more about our fuel dispenser spare parts.
Let's have a rest.
Okay, bye.
Bye bye.
Hello everyone, welcome back.
Hello everyone, this is Amanda.
This is Ling. How about our previous live stream? Our colleague Talia and Cindy, they have introduced you our fuel dispenser, the double nozzle machine with talking configuration. So if you have any questions, leave your comments below and our colleagues will check and give you our reply.
Yes, at the end of the live show, we will answer the questions from the live streams.
Yes, and if you like our live stream, please press the like. We need your supporting. Don't forget to press the like.
Yes, welcome to leave any questions for that. But now we will introduce you more information about our fuel dispensers.
Yes, and next we will introduce more information about our fuel dispenser.
Yeah, I can't wait. Let's start.
Okay, let's go. First, let's see the machine behind me. So it is a double nozzle machine. And we can see the two nozzles are put at the side. So, Amanda, can you give a brief introduction of this fuel dispenser?
Yeah, this is a double nozzle fuel dispenser, popular in a lot of countries. So we have the basic function for that, such as the display board, keyboard, emergency stop switch. Of course, we have, for this type, we can be one nozzle or two nozzle, but it's up to your request.
Yes, and we found this machine is much similar as the Tatsuno brand.
Yes.
And we make the same shape, the same design as Tatsuno original. And we can say in the hose pipe, we also add the breakaway. What's the function of this breakaway?
I think someone maybe remembers that. We have explained for that last live show with Lin. If anyone knows that, we can leave message. We will give you some surprise for that.
Yes, and we have new visitors, new viewers here. So let's share this breakaway again, okay?
Yes. For the breakaway, it's a very important but not very expensive part for the fuel dispenser. Breakaway means something happened suddenly. The hose pipe and the machine will
We break.
break.
Yes,
Yes,
take into
separate.
two parts. In this way, the breakaway can protect the machine from falling down.
Yes.
Okay. So in this machine, we can see the two nozzles are put at two sides. So can I put the nozzle in front of the door?
Of course, because the nozzle beside we can filling from the front
Yes.
and back.
Okay, so it will be convenient for the cars coming in
Yes.
different directions. They can come in the front side, and also we
The
can
back.
fill it at the back side.
But if we, in some filling station, we put one nozzle front.
Yes, we have a sample near you. Let's
Okay,
see.
the second one.
Yes, this nozzle is that we put the nozzle front and back. So in this way, the front nozzle can only fill the car in front.
Yes, there are wrong something in inverters is that we have put the keyboard front too. So when we start filling the car, we can operate it on the keyboard and see the display board clearly. Then filling the car directly.
Yes. So which one do you like? To put the nozzle in front or put the nozzle at the two sides? We can make both choices. It depends on your like. It depends on your choices.
Yeah.
And let's keep introduce this machine. And I have found this emergency stop button is a little different as the one we introduced just now. So any differences?
For this one, it's the button.
To press.
Yeah. Press again, it will reduce. For another one, it's the switch.
We
We
need
can
to
turn.
turn the switch in the clockwise
Yeah.
direction, and it will turn on, power on again. Okay, this is different, but it is also important for the filling station. You can make the machine power off immediately if we meet something emergency.
Yes. By the way, for this button, we have this button one will the packing size a little smaller.
Okay, yes. And this color, this white color also makes people aware of the usage. If any emergency happens, it will remind you to power off the machine.
It's warming color here.
Yes. And we can see here, we make a red color square here, also to remind the workers we must use this power switch once any emergency situation happens. So you can choose to add this red color square here.
Besides the sticker here, we have a lot of instruction for use.
Yes, we can also make the instruction of the using.
Yes, it shows how to filling the car step by step.
Okay, let's make the camera clear, close to the instruction. First, you need to input preset how many liter or how much amount you need. And second is you need to take off the nozzle, lift up the nozzle. And the third way is you need to put the nozzle into the tank. And the last, when we finish filling, we take off the nozzle back to the nozzle holder.
This one is very useful for some filling station, maybe have self service.
If he is new,
Yeah.
and he can check this instruction clearly, and this one can help him to fill at a quick time, at a faster time. And here we can see this machine is also the two nozzle, but it is a little different as the former two ones. The first one machine, we put the two nozzles at the two sides. And the second one, we mix the nozzles, one front and one back. And how about this one?
This one is the two nozzle front. Usually, the two nozzle is for different fuels. So when the car comes, the two nozzle can fill in the two type fuels for the car.
Yes, and some customers choose to put the two nozzles in front because they usually make the machine near the wall, so just one side can work. So they put the two nozzles in front. It is also convenient for filling.
Yes. Some of my customers have three nozzles on the front, but the back is blank without nozzle.
Okay, so you mean your customer put the three nozzles, all the three nozzles in front, but the back without nozzle.
Yes.
Okay.
For some small filling station, they have three fuels, but don't have too much money to get too much machine.
Yes,
so
their budget is enough, so make the three nozzles in front. Okay, and Amanda, I have found another difference of this model. This nozzle bottle seems too big.
Yes. This is the color is black, and the material is plastic.
Okay, the plastic and black color one.
Yes.
It is too big.
It's very big. It's the biggest one in our factory.
Yes, and it is mostly the same like the Tatsuno brand.
Yes.
And we can take a close look at our different types of the nozzle holders. Let's check here. Okay, that one. It is near here. It is also the big nozzle holder, but the material is different. It is a metal one. So, do you like the metal nozzle holder or the plastic nozzle holder? And for this nozzle holder, we also have a small one. Let's remove the camera to another one. Okay, let's see. This nozzle holder is a small one.
This is the standard one in our factory. If no special request for the nozzle booter, will be used for your filling, for your fuel dispenser.
Yes, the small one looks more impact and makes the machine be more more attractive. And also the big one and the black one, you can choose any of them. So we are glad and we are looking forward to receive your comments. If you have any questions, if you have any your idea, leave your message to us. We will check and reply you. Don't forget to press the like to us.
Yes, if you give us some surprising good ideas, maybe you will be our VIP customer.
Yes, and we will share our fuel dispensers, our catalogs, our promotions to you. Okay, next we will keep on introducing the two nozzle machines. Just now we have introduced the different position of the nozzle, and we introduced the different types of the hold nozzle, nozzle holder. And next we want to introduce you the different types of the nozzle.
Yes.
Okay, let's take a close look of our nozzles. Here we can see this nozzle brand is ZVA brand, and it is 3/4 nozzle. And here we use different colors. This one is red and this one is green. In this way, workers can find out the different fuel, the different oil. And how about any other brands?
It's a big one.
Yes, it is much more bigger. Let's compare with another one. Here. So, any customers, any friends, do you find any differences? Okay, Amanda will introduce you one by one. Okay, first.
Yeah, firstly, the inlet.
Inlet.
Yes, this one is much more bigger.
Yes, the one on Amanda's hand, it is a big one, the 1 inch. And how about this one?
3/4.
Okay, it is smaller. And we can see the spot. One is bigger and one is small.
I think this one is
Bigger.
Yeah.
Yeah,
it's
1
more
inch.
bigger.
Yes. And 1 inch is for the high flow rate. 3/4 is for the normal flow rate. And what else differences do you see?
It's moving.
Okay, it is moving. It's installed with a swivel
Swivel, it can moving
in,
frontally.
in different direction. And this one also can moving. But that one with the swivel can in different directions.
Yeah, moving by 2 parts.
Because sometimes the driver comes in different direction. With this swivel, it is convenient for workers to start filling. And this, the nozzle just now we showed you is 1A and 3/4 is for 1A nozzle.
Yes.
And 1 inch is for the 120
120.
model. And we also have another model. Let's see.
This one is the OPW11B.
Yes. And this one is also from OPW, a brand. It is 11A, but the second one is 11B type.
Yes.
11A here and 11B there. So 11A is the one automatic stop type. How about 11B? 11B is a type when no pressure, the nozzle will off directly.
Off.
Yes. So which one is used in your market? 11A or 11B? And also we have different colors for the nozzles. Colors like
Blue, green,
blue, green, black, yellow,
or some purple one.
purple, and orange. And the colors you need, we can make. So leave your message to us. Okay. Let's review. Just now we introduced you the
The nozzle,
nozzle.
yeah. The nozzle holder,
Nozzle holder.
and the nozzle. What's the nozzle in front or the beside
Okay, that's the nozzle position.
position?
Okay,
Yes.
the nozzle position, we can make the nozzle in different positions, such as
Front.
one in front or one in back.
Yes.
And
Two nozzle on the beside the panel,
okay, two nozzle put in two sides, and
and there also nozzle on front, and the back is the blank, no nozzle.
yes, all nozzle we put in front, without nozzles at back.
Yes.
And this is the first nozzle position. You can choose which position to put the nozzles. And the second, we introduce our different types of the nozzle holders. We have different types. So what's that?
That's the biggest one is the plastic.
Plastic.
Yes, and there another two is the aluminum, bigger one and the smaller one.
And the smaller one is our normal one,
Yes.
our common one, our standard one.
The standard one will save a lot of money.
Yes. And last, we also show you our different nozzle brands. We have
CVA type,
ZVA types,
OPW,
OPW 11A and 11B type.
11B.
And
And there's a normal one in our factory.
yes, we use the 11A 3/4. And no worry, we also have different types of the nozzles, such as Tatsuno nozzles. We also have the nozzle with filter. So let us know the one you use in your country, in your machine, or you can also send us the pictures. We can find out and recommend you our similar one.
Okay.
Okay, so we have shown you the outlook, the basic configurations. Next, we will open our gate to show you the hydraulic parts. Okay, let us find the key and open the gate. As known, we have introduced this one is a two nozzle machine. Let's see the inside. Here we can see this one just has one motor,
One motor,
one pump,
one pump.
and two flow meters.
Yes.
These two flow meters can work at the same time.
Yes, of course. But they are share the same pump.
So this one is for one oil product.
Yes, because they have the same pump. By the way, when the two nozzle works at the same time, they will share the same pump. So the flow rate may be a little slowly down.
Oh, okay, I see. Because the two flow meters connect with one pump.
Yes.
So if the two nozzles are working together at the same time, the flow rate will be a little influenced.
Yes.
Right. Okay, let's see. The motor here, it is 220.
Yeah.
So what?
20.
220. What else can we choose?
For others, we have 380, 110.
Okay.
That's the three types.
Okay. 110.
Yes.
220 and 380.
Yes.
Which one is used in your country? Let us know your choices. And the pump and flow meter here, what's the brand?
The brand for this one, this is Tatsuno type.
Okay.
It's from Japan. It's
Okay.
brand from Japan.
Okay, we see here the pulser is installed together with the flow meter.
Yeah.
It is, we called it Tatsuno type.
By the way, the Tatsuno type, we have other colors. This is standard one we use for the machine.
It is a gray color.
Gray
Oh,
color.
it is like the aluminum color. So what else colors do you have?
We have silver or original color.
Okay, silver color,
Yeah, and original color.
original color. Okay, that's good. And here we see it is a machine just for one oil product. So how about for two oil product? How can you amend it to the two oil product?
If you want to amend to two oil products, so we need two separate systems. One motor, one pump, one flow meter. That's the complete system for one oil.
Okay. So for the second one, we need to add one motor,
One motor,
one pump, and a flow meter we already have.
yes.
Okay. So that will be two motors, two pumps, and
Yes.
two flow meters.
Yeah.
So will the flow rate be influenced if the two nozzles working at the same time by the two motor and two pump?
The flow rate is as normal.
That's good. Okay, so let's have another model. This one is also two nozzle. So let's check inside. What's the difference? Any difference here? Here?
No, it's the same.
Okay, let's have a look. Let's show to our friends here. Okay, here we see the same, but the flow meter color is a little different. The different as our former one, right? This one is also one motor, one pump, and two flow meters.
Yes.
Okay.
This one is very popular.
In Asian market, we use one pump, two flow meters widely. Okay, next let's move to our another one, which we put the two nozzles in front. It will be a little hard for us to take off the nozzles. Okay, give us some minutes. Okay, let's move the camera close to our machine. Okay. Okay, here it is a four nozzle. Just now we see the two nozzles in front, and here this machine has another two nozzles at back.
Yeah.
What is it?
Sorry, pardon?
So why it just has four flow meters here?
Four flow meters here because there are four nozzles for the machine.
Okay. So where is the motor and where is the pump?
This type is a submersible pump, so it's without motor and pump.
Okay, submersible type.
Yes.
Okay, I remember before our colleague Cindy and Talia,
Yes.
they had introduced, we have two different configurations. One is suction and the other is submersible type.
Yes, this is submersible
So
type.
where is the pump and motor?
Okay, let's have a look. This is submersible pump.
Okay. The motor is
Motor is in the tank.
put inside the tank.
Yes. And the motor is on the top of the tank.
Okay. So, any other differences of the submersible and suction?
For this one, it can supply for 8 nozzles at the same time.
Okay, you mean one submersible pump and motor?
Yeah.
It can connect to different machines.
Yes.
Okay. So in this way, the filling station owner can reduce the costing.
Yes.
Okay. So how about the flow rate? Does the flow rate will be slower than the suction one?
No, it's very powerful for that.
Okay, good.
And the filling station without motor and pump, the filling station is much more quietly when working.
Okay, it is when during the filling,
Yes,
the
during the filling.
machine is much more quieter
Yeah.
than the suction one.
Of course.
Okay, so my friends, which one do you use? Do you use the suction type or the submersible type? Leave your message to us. We will check and give you our reply at once. And here we can also see there is a little difference. We can take a closer look at the keypad. Here we see this keypad is a vertical type. And let's move to another machine. Here the keypad is a
Horizontal one.
horizontal one. Which one do you like? Actually, the functions of these two keypads no difference.
Yes.
So just it depends on your like. It depends on your need. Which one you like? The horizontal one or the vertical one? So we have other different choices about the keypad.
Yes, we have this one. The material is the metal.
Okay, metal one.
Metal one, and we have another one is plastic.
Okay, the plastic blue one.
Blue one.
And we have other keypads. We put P1 to P4 here.
Yes.
P1 to P4 is used to preset the volume or the seal.
It's very, very convenient. Of course, for this one, we have the waterproof.
Yes, the seal outside the keypad to protect the water coming inside.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, let's answer the questions from the live streams.
Okay, so one of our customer is asking, he is from Thailand. Which model do you recommend to him?
Thailand, it's Tatasuno is very popular in your market,
Okay.
but the request from the Thailand customers have a lot of details about the flow meter and the pump.
Okay.
So we need to know the request in detail, such as the color,
Color?
the original one or not.
Okay.
The voltage is no problem. Usually it's 220.
Mm-hmm. So voltage at 220, it is confirmed.
Yes.
And we also need to know your, do you need a single nozzle or double nozzle,
nozzle?
or 4 nozzle or 6 nozzle? And
Usually
second,
it's
double
and
nozzle.
Single.
And what's the color you need for the machine?
Yes.
So we can recommend this machine to the Thailand friend.
Thailand friend likes this one a lot.
Yes, we export lots of machines to Thailand in this design. Do you like it?
Yeah, of course.
Okay. You can leave your messages here and we will contact you. And our second question is, how do you accept the payment? How can
do
he
payment?
pay to us?
To pay to us, usually the TTLC is very popular for us.
Okay, TT means a bank TT.
Bank TT.
Okay.
Usually 30% deposit and the balance before delivery.
Okay, so we accept TT payment. It is 3% in advance, and balance should be paid before shipping. And during the production, no worry, we will send you the production pictures
Picture or
and
video.
also videos.
Yeah.
Yes, you can trace the production all the time.
Yes, because our colleague is very professional for that. They will follow all the process of your machine from the deposit arrived.
Yes, and second, we also accept the LC payment,
Yeah.
such as LC at site. So that means before you get our goods, we will start production, and you can see all our machines. Then after it's shipped and your bank receive our documents, you can arrange the payment then.
Yeah, it's a very good way for some new customer because they first time do business with us.
Yes. And another customer is asking, what is your lead time? Yes,
Lead
it is
time.
very important. Someone is in urgent need of the machine.
Yeah.
What is our lead time?
Usually it's 35 to 40 days.
Okay, 35 to 40 days. It
But
may
it's
be
too
a little,
long.
yes,
Too
long
long
for
time.
our friends.
Yeah.
So do you have any machine in stock? We
Of
can
course.
send to them directly.
Yes. If you leading time is urgently, but not too much request for the machine, so we will have the stock one for you. It's the most popular one. For this
Okay,
years.
that's very good. The one we have in stock is single nozzle and double nozzle.
nozzle.
So if you need, how many days can we get?
I think 10 working days, no problem.
Okay, so can we get it within 1 week?
1 week, yes, we can push that for 1 week.
Okay, that's good. So, my friends, we have a machine designed in stock, which we can supply to you in 7 to 10 days. So, if you need our machines, contact us. We will reply you and send the one we have in stock pictures to you.
Yes, but at the moment we are building our new factory.
Yes, that's
we
a
are
very
all
good
busy.
news. Yes.
And the stock is not too much at the moment.
Yes, so we must chase this opportunity.
Yeah.
If your quantity is around 5 to 10 pieces, we can provide you in 1 week.
1 week
Yes, and also during this March, we have a big promotion here.
promotion.
Yes, for each one machine, we will provide you actually one nozzle.
One nozzle
And
free.
yes, we will have special gifts for you. So if you have any questions and your order is in pending, contact us. We hope to deal with you. No matter our old customers and new friends, we are here and we are waiting for you.
Yes.
And let's check the last questions. So, how many years do you have in this field? Okay, I think this is our new friend. So let's
Okay.
introduce our factory again. Okay.
Yes. Our company name is Zhejiang Genuine Machine Company Limited. The main products in our company is the fuel dispenser,
Fuel dispenser,
LPG dispenser,
LPG dispenser,
CNG,
CNG,
and the mini filling station.
and the filling station.
Yeah.
Mini one.
Mini one.
Okay, the portable one.
Portable, but
Okay.
it's too big, so we can't show here.
Okay.
And we are the OEM factory in this field over 20 years.
Okay, over 20 years.
Yes. And our colleagues in our company are at least 5 years. So we are professional in this field for any questions.
Okay, so just now, Amanda has introduced we are the OEM
Yes.
company. So what functions can we provide to our friends?
The OEM means if you have a new order for us, but you have some special requests for that, such as the color of the machine
Hello.
or the actual function, such as LED,
LED.
keyboard, display board, or the original pump, flow meter, or other request about the
Machine.
or the logo.
The logo.
Yes,
So we can all provide these services.
yes.
Okay.
We are professional in this field, so
Okay.
no worry about that.
Yes, no worry. We have full experience in making fuel dispensers. So everyone, leave your messages and follow our account. We will have many live shows to introduce ourselves to you. So if you follow us, you will get new emails about our new machines, our updates, and our new promotions.
Yes, and tomorrow we have another live show from Edwin and Cindy again.
Yes. So leave your messages and press like. We will inform you once we have another live show.
Okay, so today today's live show is ending.
Yes, that's all for today.